In this video, you'll learn how to buy Shiba on Binance Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully purchase Shiba tokens using your Binance account. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, locate and click on the Wallet tab, which is typically found on the top menu of the interface. Ensure that you have sufficient funds available for your intended purchase. If your funds are not in the spot wallet, you will need to transfer them. This can be done by selecting the appropriate option to move funds into your spot wallet. Additionally, verify that trading is enabled for your region, as this can affect your ability to buy tokens. Next, navigate to the Trade section of the platform. Here, you will find a search bar where you can enter the trading pair for Shiba. Type in SHIB to locate the relevant trading pair, such as SHIB/USGD. It is essential to choose the correct pair to ensure that you are purchasing the token you want. Take a moment to review the current price and liquidity of the token, as this information can impact your buying decision. Depending on your trading strategy, select the order type that best suits your needs, whether it be a market order. After selecting the trading pair, you will need to enter the amount of Shiba you wish to purchase. The platform will automatically calculate the total cost based on the current price. Before proceeding, review the details of your transaction to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied with the amount and total cost, confirm the transaction to execute your buy order. This step is crucial as it finalizes your purchase. Following the confirmation, the system will process your order. You may need to wait for a notification indicating that your order has been completed. This confirmation is important as it signifies that the Shiba tokens have been successfully added to your account. After receiving this notification, navigate back to your wallet to check your balance. You should see the newly acquired Shiba tokens reflected in your wallet balance, confirming that the transaction was successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.